So, my fellow friends, the solution to the final four exercises of the Pythagorean theorem. The first one is about the construction of a line segment of square root 10 centimeters. I hope you remember the technique. First, you're going to look for a product of two numbers that equals 10. So in this case, for instance, 2 and 5. I first draw the line segment of 2, and I'm going to draw the line segment of 5 connecting to that one. I'm going to call that point the point D. Then I'm going to look for the midpoint, and the midpoint of a line segment of 7 centimeters at 3.5. And in 3.5, I'm going to draw with my pair of compasses, I'm going to draw this circle. Finally, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line in D, so the point where the two line segments connect. And where it intersects with the circle, I'm going to call that point C. For my explanation, I'm going to make sure that A, B, C are connected to one another so that I have a triangle ABC. Now, in a circle inscribed triangle with one side intersecting with the center of the circle is right angled. So therefore ABC is right angled. If ABC is right angled, all my metric relations are applicable. So I'm going to apply the property of the altitude. The altitude squared, CD squared, is equal to the product of the two line segments in which the altitude divides the hypotenuse. So AD times BD, and therefore square root 10. Next exercise 34. Of course, you have to keep in mind that AM is half of AD because M is in the middle of AD. And that's why it is 6 divided by 2 and therefore 3. Now I'm first going to work in this triangle, in triangle ABM, where A is of course a right angle. Then you can calculate BM, and when you've calculated BM, you're able to work in this right angled triangle, where of course B is 90 degrees as well, and that's how you're going to look for FM, which is 14.87 if you round it 2 decimals. The next exercise 34, I did not ask, but I'm still going to give you the correction. So if you've looked for it, this is going to be the correct solution. Yes, the stick is going to fit into the box because the body diagonal is 102.47 centimeters. Final exercise, a pyramid. Well, to calculate the uprising side of the pyramid. So the uprising side is AT. Yes, BT, TD, TC, it's all the same. We already know the height, so the height is this, of course. We know the height of the pyramid, that is TM. Well, first I'm going to work in this triangle, in triangle ACD. Because I know the sides of the base of the pyramid, I can calculate the hypotenuse. I know that the diagonals are going to intersect in the middle, so therefore AM is equal to MC, or M is half of AC, 162.92. And then I'm going to work in my blue triangle ATM, and here I can calculate, of course, my right angle side AT, my hypotenuse AT, which is 280.97. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Hope you understand it. Good luck with all of your exams. Keep in mind, stay calm. It's only exams. And believe in yourself. I believe in you, so now it's up to you. See you later.